Opening up, it's your mathematical book, Mr. Dylan. Flipping through all these pages of Dylan Ultimate Mathematics. We can't indulge in this, so we can do this later on. Something that we truly love to do. Hey, we already know what it is, man. We working with some multiplying polynomials one, first video of the series. So let's go ahead and slide down to our example of the day. We got x plus 1 times x plus 3. All right, so when we got parentheses, all that means is we're gonna be multiplying. So we're gonna start this one by we got our first parentheses on this side right here, and then we got our second parentheses on this side right here. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we got our first step. Our first step is we're gonna distribute our x in our first parentheses to our x and our 3 in our second parentheses. All right. So we're just gonna put, P for parentheses for short. So we got x times x, and then we got x times 3. So we can write that out, x times x, and we got x times 3. That's just gonna give us, so we got x times x, so we got a power up of 2. So that's gonna give us x squared. And then we got x times 3, put the number in front, variable x in the back, so it's gonna give us a 3x, all right? So we got x squared and 3x. All right, so the next step we're gonna take is we got the second step of the day. Write that second step out. We're gonna distribute our 1, and we're gonna distribute that to our x and our 3 and our second parentheses as well. So let's write that out. Distribute 1 and first parentheses to x and 3 and second parentheses. All right. So we're going to go ahead and circle that. We got 1 times x, and then we got 1 times 3. So we can write that out as well. Right here, we got 1 times x equals, and then we got 1 times 3 equals. All right. So 1 times x is going to give us a 1x, or just simply x. And then we got 1 times 3, that's just going to give us a 3. All right. So now, third step of this problem we got, we're gonna combine like terms, all right now. So the terms that we have are, we're gonna write our terms out. We got x squared, we got 3x, we got 1x or just x, and then we got 3, all right? So since we got 3x, 1x, x squared, and 3, x squared does not have any terms that it can combine like, and then 3 doesn't have any terms as well that it combine like, all right? So our only two terms that we combine is our 1x and our 3x because they have a power of 1. So when we combine, all that means is adding, so we're going to do 3x plus 1x or just x, and that's just going to give us a 4x. So now for our last and final step of the day, let's do purple. We got purple. And I want to say this is going to be our fourth step of the day. Now we just got to write all our values from greatest power to least power, all right? So write our final answer from greatest power to least power. And when we do that, that's just going to give us our final answer for the day. So we're going to go ahead and write out our final answer. As always, we got x squared plus 4x plus 3 for our final answer for today. Let's go ahead and highlight that for y'all. Make it shine like a sunflower. Shine like a sunflower. We got the final answer. X squared plus 4x plus 3. And that's it for the day, man. Peace and blessings go out to everybody viewing the video. Appreciate y'all. Hey, and don't forget, opening up this mathematical book, Mr. Dylan, flipping through all these pages of Dylan Ultimate Mathematics. Hey, sacrifice, letting go of what you want in the present moment for something that you really want in the future that is going to bring you fulfillment and satisfaction instead of temporary happiness. Learn to sacrifice. That's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all catch me. See y'all. Peace.